Looks like I won't have to water for a while. Our annual lake is beginning to form. Hi, welcome to my channel, Senior Sue, Cacti and Succulents. I thought I would give you a tour of my garden in the rain. We've had a few straight days of rain, and we're supposed to get a few more straight days of rain. I'm in zone 10A, Southern California. Okay, first let me show you what's going on over here. Here's my aeonium, looking happy. Some kalanchoe back there. I don't know what type that is. You can see how flooded it is back here. Look up against the wall and you can see how high the water level was. It'll probably get up that high again today. Okay. And then I'll give you a tour of this in about a week or so you can see how these plants fared in all of the rain. But so far they are looking like they are enjoying it. We have some blooms. I love the rain. Okay, my copper spoons is looking good. Aeoniums back there are looking good too. Okay, my ruby trigonia is looking good. Lots of leaves on there. All the cactus are okay. And the euphorbias. Okay, here's the sticks on fire. It's not on fire yet. It's in the shade over here. It gets a little more shade than the rest of the garden. And in the summer, though, it gets quite a bit of sun. I mean, not too much, but more than what it's getting now. Okay, let me show you the other side. Okay, these are the pots that I potted up. And they need to be taken apart and repotted again. Everything is healthy in here, and I even have a bloom on this one, peperomia. This is coming back after all of the rain. That's a Dudleya. I believe that's a helicopter plant. A jade plant. Variegated. Sticks on fire. That's on fire. And can't remember what this is called. I still need to clean this pot out and get rid of the dead stuff. And actually, I need to pull everything out. Okay, here is one of my California native plants doing well. It's Aloe Cameronii in the back. This is my monkey flower. I had it in the ground, but I had to dig it up because it wasn't doing well, and it likes this pot much better. And that's a California native. Here is native milkweed. That will come back up big and full in the spring. Okay. Those in the back aren't looking too good. They're all black. I don't know what the deal is. I'm gonna have to pull this apart. I stuck it there during the rain so it can be underneath the eaves. This one's getting blossoms on it. That one I need to repot also. Okay, the pots are doing good. So is the ruby necklace. These are mangaves. Okay, so here's the patio. When it's raining, I usually take all of my pots of cactus and put them underneath the eaves so that they don't get completely drenched. And then I had some hidden back there, some down underneath here, underneath this table. I just have one hanging pot up there underneath the eave. More cactus under there. Okay, so I take everything off the top shelves and I put them on the bottom to keep things from getting completely soaked. These are my propagations. They're pretty soaked, but they'll be okay. These hanging pots are doing well. More of my cactus and euphorbias down here. And then I have another pot down under this table. And I'm hiding these underneath the fountain. Here, let me show you my other mangave with the ruby necklace. This is how much rainwater we have gotten. I can't believe it in the past 2 days. This bucket, what is this, a 5-gallon bucket? Is almost half full. Well, not quite, but getting there. Okay, let me see if there's anything else over here I can show you. The lake is filling up a little more. All right, let's go around to the side if it's not flooded there. Okay, I have some plants under here. Oh, and I'm trying to juggle the umbrella and the camera. And I just have them covered up a little bit so they don't get so sopping wet. And I have more under here and there. Oh yeah, it's wet down here. I'm not going to go too far. I'll get my shoes wet a little. I need to get the leaves out of here, but another time. Lavender, aeonium kiwi back there, burrito plant, seed and burrito, some echeverias down here, this hanging pot is doing very well, and that's even flowering. That's my old mailbox. I still need to plant these up. Here's one of my California natives, buckwheat. It's the same one that I showed you that was planted among all those rocks. See how things are really getting flooded. And this is also a different kind of buckwheat that I planted back here. And over here, this is wildflower seed that I threw down. It's getting kind of drowned, but we'll see what it happens. I sowed it pretty thick, but live and learn. We'll see how it goes. And this is all clover weeds. Okay. This is my corner garden. My other little hanging pot over there. These plants are being drowned. And that's an agave right there. That's getting drowned at the moment. And that is pretty much for the backyard. And as long as I'm here, I think I'm going to pick myself an orange. Okay, that's it for now. I'll give you a tour when things have dried up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. All right, hold on. I forgot to show you these guys. It's astrophytum right there, and they're kind of shielded from the rain. This guy's exposed to the rain. Down here are some little mangaves. Here are my string of pearls and my string of dolphins. Oh, and this hanging succulent. Okay, that's it. See you later.